Here's the app called Hair Snap Health and Style Scan. It's went into the top 200 apps in the US App Store in lifestyle category. So this is AI-powered hair scanner, analyzes all your hair attributes and provides personalized ratings with actionable recommendations based on your goals. AI hair analysis, track progress over time, goal-oriented plans. Catching hair recession early allows you to take control before it progresses. It's much easier to prevent recession and regrow hair that is just starting to see in a recede rather than addressing advanced loss. So this is not a medical advice app. Any or all recommendations should be used as suggestions, and this may require a subscription, but let's take a look. So you just starting out. Do I have a referral code? Nope. Then you just enter in your age. So you just select what you're interested, and then you just see all the ideas about it, notifications, and then here make sure your hair is clearly visible in each angle. Use this example to guide your positioning. So tap view, back view, side view, and then front view, and then basically you need to start scanning and add these photos. So this is kind of similar app to Umax, and then eventually you need a subscription to get the results. But also you can get a referral code, and then you can just start using this app for free. So that's the idea, kind of interesting angle of AI. So yeah, try it out.